So for the past 2 days, what we've been doing is hosting our potential pilot school partners. These were teachers from a variety of networks and districts that were interested in piloting various innovations that we are looking at through our fellowship process. And so the last 2 days, they went through some intensive design thinking to help them zero in and create clear problem statements that have potential solutions that match with our fellows.
There are some challenges within the district and the different departments of working collaboratively and trying to figure out a way to accurately use the data that we have and increase the data that we don't currently track in order to see how we're positively impacting learning outcomes of our students.
In my classroom, throughout my years of teaching, the thing that I see that impacts students' learning the most is where they come in emotionally during the school day. So I have great students who, if they're having a bad day, it really messes with what they're doing and can really damage the relationship that we have if it goes poorly. And so I have realized that one of the highest leverage things that I can do is help them kind of navigate that and talk through their experiences and identify what they're going through and how to cope with that on a regular basis, so they can effectively go about the rest of their day and interact with each other and other students and with me, and learn well.
We do have a lot of needs at our school just with students and how they just don't know how to regulate those big feelings that they have and how to do it properly. So finding ways and tools to help them process through those feelings is why I chose the second one.
Our school is in a high crime, high poverty area. So our students come to school with traumatic events that may have happened the night before, and our teachers right now don't really have a way to identify and help those students through their needs.
The main thing that I'd say is that it was really exhilarating seeing educators come in to this space and really become like students. I think that a lot of times as teachers, we see the innovation process is not shown how to make it happen, right? So like teachers want to be creative, teachers want to be innovative, but they're not given the resources, the tools, the time to really be able to work through an idea and then also be supported by a community of people who are also in the same manner of thinking. So therefore they end up being on like an island, right? So like they think about it in their own classroom, keep it to themselves, and there's nobody to try to work through it with. And so it was really exciting seeing them be in a space where they could come into it and feel comfort knowing that there was no bad ideas. There were going to be people who were going to support their process and help them develop because they were also developing. So I think that's what Lean Lab is all about.